where secret currents gently go. This pulsing beat, it takes its toll, unveiling depths within my soul. Through woven circuits, feelings fly beneath a vast synthetic sky. A whispered promise drawing near, dispelling every inner fear. The world outside begins to fade, of fragile pieces slowly made. Lost inside this rhythmic flow, where secret currents gently go. This pulsing beat, it takes its toll, unveiling depths within my soul. Am I just chasing shadows bright, or finding solace in the digital night? This searching heart begins to bloom, breaking free from every lonely room. A moment shared, a fleeting touch, meaning everything, meaning so much. A silent prayer, a sudden plea, just to feel completely free. A fleeting glimpse, a sudden grace, lost between time and abstract space. The sound dissolves the fragile lies, reflected in my hollow eyes. No turning back, just moving on, until the fading of the dawn.